Weekend Modder here with a send-in service proof video for Robbie T of Michigan. Am I right? Or Minnesota? I don't know. Either way, we'll have the address correct when we mail it back to you here. This is the console that you sent in for RGA service. It is a Trinity motherboard. So we RGH'd it actually using the Muffin install CR4 speedup method and the Matrix V1 chip. We did the red LEDs as you requested. This disc taped to the top of the console. This has your original NAND dumps. It's got the UPD flash.bin, which is the NAND currently written to the console, the modified NAND. Um, as you can see, the nice fast boot times, the full red ring of light here. We've got Freestyle Dash, Dash Launch, XEX menu, and Aurora Dash all pre-installed on the console. So by default here, you're going to see that the console is going to boot up directly into Freestyle Dashboard. If you'll take a look at the other video links in the final confirmation email that you get, there's a link to a playlist which contains all sorts of good stuff. And then there's also a link to a little video by me of kind of how to navigate around between the various areas here. So you can see on the hard drive, we've got Aurora also installed. There's the Dash launch folder, there's Freestyle, all that sort of stuff. So check out that video link for kind of a better walkthrough or guide. We definitely appreciate your business. We'll go ahead and get this thing packed up. Obviously, today, January 1st, is a holiday, so it will leave out tomorrow. Um, Thanks very much. Enjoy.